everybody. James Akers here, the tie guy. Today I am wearing a brand new shirt and tie combination I got on my last trip to Neiman Marcus, my stylist Andre down there. Hey Andre, you do an awesome job. And I wanted to kind of talk a little bit about how you find this particular look, how you can match up things. And we'll get to a little bit more detail in a second. But the shirt I'm wearing is a purple Eton shirt. On my Instagram, I have some close-ups, but if I get in a little closer, I don't know how much the camera will pick up. It's purple with a little bit of with like white checks, or basically white and purple checks. Almost a blue line going through as well. The shirt was gorgeous. So what happened is it caught my eye on the shelf at Neiman. I was just looking. I'm always looking for more dress shirts and stuff when I'm down there. And it was 2 weekends ago, if I'm not mistaken, I was down there. And so I really like the look of the shirt. The problem when you go with a non-solid shirt, like if you, I don't know if you can see how much you can see here, most of my shirts are solid colors. I mean, this Canali is blue with white stripes, easier to match just a plain white striped shirt. Most of them are solid colors, you know, solid. Here's a pink with some squares, and here's an Isaia with some stripes. But the majority of them are all solid colors. The reason I like solid color shirts is because it's easier to match ties. You know, I can go with almost any tie with a solid shirt. So if I'm going to buy a shirt that has any type of pattern to it or other colors involved, I don't buy it online because it's hard to match a tie with. It's just my personal opinion. So what I did was I found the shirt. I really liked it. I was like, man, I love a shirt. So whenever I took the shirt in hand and went over to the tie section and literally just laid the shirt down and started looking at ties with it until I found the one that just looked perfect. And that turned out to be this Salvatore Ferragamo. This is a Ferragamo tie. It's got a bunch of little hats on it. Let me take the tag off here real quick. This is I just got this. I haven't worn it yet. But anyway, it's got it's Salvatore Ferragamo purple with a bunch of little hats. And when I put this tie with this shirt, it just came together really beautiful. And again, I'll be posting close-ups of it on my Instagram here in just a little bit. So, so the advice I have to give you is if you're going to go with a shirt with a pattern or with any other colors in it, match the tie to the shirt before you buy it, because it's a lot more difficult when you buy it and you bring it home. Another example I'll quickly give you, and then we'll get to tying the tie, is I found a couple Zegna shirts on sale on Neiman Marcus on their website. So I bought them because I love their products. So here's one of them, for example. Gorgeous shirt. It's got a lot of like almost a gray-green checker to it. Love the shirt. I got this on sale. This is like a $500 shirt. I think I got it for like 80 bucks or something like that. So, it's a $400 shirt. I got it for 80 bucks. And I absolutely love the shirt. It's hard to match a tie with it, though. I do have one I'm going to be doing with it later, but I had to really search to find a tie to match because of different patterns. Now, I know there's some guys out there, they'll just throw any tie with anything. I'm not. Things have to look right to me. And so my advice to you is if you're going to buy a shirt with patterns or colors, match a tie to it either before buying it or take the shirt and tie, buy them together so you can look and match them together. So done with my advice, let's tie a tie. All right, let me hang this shirt back up here. So we're going to be tying a Salvatore Ferragamo purple shirt with a bunch of little hats on it. It's a cute tie, really cute tie. Again, I'll be posting close-ups on my Instagram so you can check them out. Now, Salvatore Ferragamo, I have probably more of his ties than anybody else. I already know that I'm going to be tying it right around this range right here. I already know that. I guess I'll give you a quick review though. The silk on Salvatore Ferragamo is always just silk. It's like butter. It's the best way I can describe it. It's like a buttery silk. They're not real thick ties. They're actually pretty thin ties, but they just feel amazing and they tie a really nice tight knot. So let's tie this tie up, see what it looks like. So we take the long part and we go under, behind, up and through, and then around behind, up and over and through. Now this is the checkpoint. This is where we're looking to make sure our triangles come together. We adjust it as we go. Looks good. Now we take the long part over top, over the front, up and under and through. And then we create this little pocket here by bringing it across the front. We hold the pocket, hold the pocket, and we pull the tie through. Now we adjust here. We hold onto the knot and pull the long part of the tie, and it tightens knot. See how tight that triangle's getting there? Then we hold onto the knot and we pull on the shorter part of the tie to bring it up to our neck, and then we check for the distance of it. Now, I like a tight knot with a Ferragamo tie, and it will stay all day long. And we want the tip of the tie, this part of the tie, should always come between the top and the bottom of the belt buckle. I've done this for you before. I'm going to do it one more time here. So if this is your belt buckle, and this is on your belt, you want this tie to come somewhere between here and here. You never want it up here. Now, if it overhangs a little bit, that's okay. You know, a little bit of an overhang. When it's way down here, it looks a little bit tacky, but somewhere between here and here is absolute perfection. That's where I like my ties. And if you know anything, if you watch my videos, sometimes I'll tie 2 or 3 times. It's got to be perfect for me. So I back away here, and it looks like this is coming about halfway down the belt buckle. It's right where I want it. So let's put this collar down. Now, one thing about these Eton shirts, the collar stays are actually built into the collar. You don't have to add a collar stay, which is pretty cool. Let's take a look here. Tighten the knot just a little bit, you know, tidy it up. And let's put the jacket on, see what it looks like. The look will be scrolling across the bottom of the screen there. And I'll go over it with you here in just a second. And again, close-ups on the Instagram of the whole outfit. I'm trying to stage things a little bit better so I can show everybody, you know, how it looks with shoes and everything else. Okay, so today we're wearing, and I like to put purple with brown. I just like the look of it. It's my own personal preference. So today we're wearing a brown Hermes Zegna Suit. We have on a purple patterned Eton shirt. We have a purple Salvatore Ferragamo tie. We're wearing a dark brown, a really nice dressy brown Salvatore Ferragamo belt with a gold belt buckle. And today we're pairing that with a pair of brown Bally shoes. Close-ups on Instagram. This just really come together very nice. Love the shirt, love the tie. Brand new to me. Glad you got to see it here, and I am ready for work.